Good morning everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So now the special segments for today is the Three Kingdoms. This one I believe is a third edition. I'm not too sure, but this one is a very nice one, and this one is T2 Wave 3. So what we're chasing in here of course is the CR, which is a CR Hinata, CR Madara, CR Izuna. Yeah, so hopefully we can pull any good hits in here, and MR also is nice. Alright, so let's proceed. We open first this Naruto. Okay guys, hopefully, this one is one of my favorite cards. It's a serialized. And this one also is a wooden card, and it's a serialized also. It's Zoro Juro. So this one is under the CCG card. Yep. Okay, let's proceed. We open. Alright, there we go. Okay. I believe it's a 20 packs. I'm not too sure if 20 or something. Now we come 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 30. Yeah, it's 30 packs. Okay, so I will cut all first, and we will do one by one to reveal the card itself. Okay. Hopefully we can get the crazy cards in here. This one is my first time I break the Tier 2 Wave 3. This is my first time actually in my channel, But before off the screen, I managed to pull a few CRs. So hopefully we can pull the CRs in here, guys. Okay, let's do this. Sasuke, Mifune, Kankuro, and okay, so rare. We put back in here with no hits. Paku, Ten, SSR, Sasuke. Okay, so the hits is SSR in here. Sakura, Karin, Ino's father, and a rare card. So nothing good hits in here. I am excited to open this because it's a, first time to. You are first time pulled into my channel. So hopefully we still have a few more. Okay, so we do the right side first, as you can see. Okay, SR. Okay. Oh, so it's I need to because okay, on the second is on the third card is the hits. SR. Okay, Danzo. We do the fast ones sometimes, guys. Okay, Gamabunda, Naruto, you are first Hashirama. We put 1, 2, alright, so this is the last. Shikamaru, okay. This one is the torture guy. Jirobo and SR. Shino. The torture guy. 1, 2, okay. Emily, Kushina, Naruto eating ramen, and SR. Nice. SR and SSR. Okay, we do this way. SSR, Hiruzen, Freddy Webb. It's Freddy Webb. Alright. Next, a little bit bent because of the hits, I guess. The weather. Kankuro, Sakura, and SR, Minato, Jugo, and Shino. Yeah, one of the Angmo YouTuber, I like her channel also as well. I watched that one. She opened a lot. Okay, SR, Hiruzen. Shino, Freddy Webb, and SSR, Mockley. Okay. Okay, last on the right pile. Let's see what we can get. Juro, SR, Yamato, and a Kankuro. Okay, on the left pile, sorry, Sakura, Jugo. Okay, SR, Sakura, and Karin. Okay, so far we haven't get good hits. Ooh, Obito. Is this the hits already? Choji, SR, Iruka, Shizune, and Neji. Right. Wow. Not that easy to pull now. Okay. Sasuke, SSR, Sasuke, Naruto, and Hanabi. I forgot the Boruto's sister. Neji, Flute Guy, SR, Neji. The SRI is like different. Choji and I forgot the name of the guy, the other one. Okay, Hanabi, Shizune, SR, Kiba, and Sasuke. Yeah, well, definitely we can get. I think the heat is coming in because it's a few more packs left. Naruto, SSR, Naruto, Jirobo, and Gamabunda. Oh no, Gamachi. Gamakichi. Emery, Shikamaru, SR, okay, Ino's father. I forgot his name, but I know it's Ino's father. Inoichi, okay. Okay, Takawan, Sakura, SSR, Naruto, Pattern, and 10. Okay, last few packs left. Hopefully we can get any good hits. Sasuke, AR. Okay, Kisame. The last is Karin. let's see in this. Okay, Gamakichi SR Naruto. Okay, Kiba and the from the Sand Village. That guy. Okay, Neji. Good guy. You are. Oh, nice. This one I don't have. I can definitely keep this. Nice. That's why I like this booster box also as well, because some of the MR, UR I don't have. So this one is the UR. Okay, Hanabi, Shizune, SR. Okay. Father of Neji. Okay, last two pack. Oh, last three. Okay, hopefully we can get the good hits in here. SSR, Gara. Okay, Rock Lee. Last two. Okay, Marie. SR. Oh, Genkaku and Kenkaku. Eh, it's a SR. I thought it's SSR. Oh, no big hits. This one is a toe box. Gamabunda. And unfortunately, there is no hits. Oh my god, it's a toe box. Only the big hits in here is AR and the OR. OR is the big hits. Dang. But okay, we'll take it. Okay, put sleep. This one's nice. Okay, so we'll do the recap. For this, Naruto. Alright, SR, all is the SSR. Naruto, Sasuke, Obito, Rock Lee, Hiruzen, and another Sasuke. So this is the hits, low hits. So now we go to the mid hits, which is, I have this one before. Okay, Hashirama, Naruto, Kisame, and none other than Naruto. OR this one, I guess. Is it OR? Yeah, it's a OR. So how you define if the OR is that the Chinese name or Japanese name? Yeah. Alright. Not that good, not that very bad of the hits of the day. But let's see. Now we proceed to the Three Kingdoms. Hopefully this one is my first ever unboxing of these Three Kingdoms. Well, actually the 4th edition is nice also. So what the case in here is the serialized card, which is expensive also as well. So open it here. Yeah, because this one is under the Kayu. So let's begin. The box wise, I think this one is 18. Yeah, it's 18. It's empty, guys. So it's a total 18 packs inside. Okay, so hopefully we can get good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, the red one. Okay, we shuffle. So at least, well, actually I don't know the rarity in here, so we base on the, we base on the jade color. And okay, oh, it's plastic itself. Oh my god, this one is long journey to open shell. Well, let's see. Oh my god. Okay, it's a low hits this one. Yellow Jade. But it's the art is very nice. Okay. Ooh, this one is like a QR. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this one is like a QR. So that is a low hits, like you know, it's a low hits. Okay, we put it here. Okay, next. Let's see how many cards also I need to count. Oh, is this Wukong? Oh no, it's not. That one is Wukong. Okay, so this one is the Jade. I think this one is one of the hits. Not too sure, but we could. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 5 cards in every packs. Alright, I think this one is a normal hits lah. This one is a normal hits. But it feels like all is an alternate except full arts. I mean, not alternate. Unboxing these crazy arts of the year. Okay, oh nice. Some is the oh, this one is a little bit of high hits. Yeah, this one is a little bit high hits. Ooh. Okay, but no. Yeah. There's no number. Okay, so I think this one is a high hits because it's a silver. One of the mid hits, I guess. Mid hits, huh? Maybe. Not so big this one. I think it's a mid hits. Silver Jade. Okay. And the story. Prologue or something. In a sense. Something like that. You are well known about this type of cards, and please guide me about the rarity. How is the price in the market? Because I know some is a very high price in the market. Ooh, this one is what? I think it's a promo. I guess on a promo. Are we able to get the black cards in here? They say it's a serialized one, the black card. That one is the expensive one in the market. So hopefully we can get. And they say the red jade, according to one of my friends. Red jade is expensive also as well. The red jade is, as you can see in here, this one is a yellow jade, right? And the other one is the green jade. Then this one is a silver jade. Okay, yellow jade is the like a rare card. So, see? Oh, nice. I think this one is Lobo. Oh, Chao Zilong. Oh yeah, Spear is a Zilong. I believe this one is Zilong. We haven't get the very high hits in this booster box, in the booster packs, but hopefully we can get some crazy, crazy cards. Well, you guys, if you want to know the I know there is a website for you to check the cards, the rarity, I believe. But I am not pretty sure yet. They say it's a Chinese one. Okay, it's a jade. Is it cards? They put a lot of efforts in these cards. Oh yeah, I think this one is the alternate arts. Okay, higher rarity from there. Okay, not bad. And ooh, waifu, I guess. I just anyhow, maybe waifu. Yeah. Okay, the general is. I haven't get Wukong. Okay, what needs? Ooh, alternate arts. One of the alternate arts. Rare. Okay, oh, alternate arts. Oh, nice point. And the prologue. What is the difference between these two? Oh, more foiling. This one is shining on its knee, but this one have the foiling already. Okay. We put it here first. Stand by there and wait for the expert. Which one? Oh, sorry. Which one is should upload and which one is shouldn't? Very tough to know, but for some of the reason, because if you are like the arts, normally you will collect this one. So some of them is just collect. Ooh, this one SSR, I guess. Maybe this is the SSR. I do believe. A few more packs to go, guys. A few more packs to go. Okay. The packs is nice, thick and everything. Wow, they put a lot of effort actually. If you are opening, this one is more tiring, yeah. If you open on one case, definitely a lot of time to waste. Okay, green jade. Log. Okay, well, the general. Another general. Sheesh. Waifu. Alright. Oh, I think I need to keep this. Oh. Alright. Rare. Waifu. Oh, nice. And QR. This one, I believe, is like an MR in Kaio. It's an alternate arts. Oh, it's not really. It's almost the same like this also. But this one, I think, is the alternate arts. So something like that. Yeah. So this one must this one must upload. Is an alternate arts. QR alternate arts. Let's put in a top load. Put in here. And this one is quite thick. It's very nice to keep. Oh, nice. This one is alternate arts. It's AA. It's AA. I guess. Yeah, it's a AA. Okay. Maybe. Let's see. This one is almost the same also. Okay. It's the same. Okay. Put the sleep first. I'm still not pretty sure, guys, what I'm doing in here. Some of YouTubers they know the rarity, and then they know the cards, if it is you know, to be top load something. Oh, who's this? Oh, I thought it's a Wukong. Oh, very hard to get Wukong. Okay. Last 2 packs to go, guys. Last 2 packs to go. This one is an SS. Users. Oh, apparently there is no juicers. Only the juicers is this one and the other. I think this is the correct. Yeah. So this one is a normal QR. Yes, and this one is the alternate arts. I believe. Yes, I believe. Okay. A lot of gems also as well in this series. Okay, so we do the recap. So I believe this one is the rare, the yellow is the rare. Okay, let's say it's my own my own roller. So this one is the SR. Okay, nice. Oh, waifu. Killer. Another one. Oh, I got dupes. Okay. Alright. Dupes is dupes. Let me segregate the waifu. There you go. Alright. After the SR, the SSR. This is the SSR, I believe. Okay. All those generals. Ooh, too long. I think this one is the Emperor. I'm sure young Emperor. Okay, the QR. Normal QR. Okay, this one I don't know if there is no promo card in here. Unlike the 4th edition have the promo card. You want to able to see the promo card in the 4th generation, which is I'll show you guys. So this is how it looks like, the promo card in 4th generation. And you can able to see. So that is the 4th generation. Okay. Alright, so next hit is this one. One of the generals. Yeah, with the tiger. Ooh. And the alternate arts QR. Nice. This one is nice. Okay. Alright guys. So hopefully you enjoy watching the unboxing of this unboxing session actually. What I mean. The unboxing session. As I mentioned before, we will unbox whatever we can unbox, okay? Not only the One Piece, not only the Naruto, any other uh, anime or any other collectibles that we can able to unbox and showcase here into my channel, yes, we'll do. Okay, even the house is wrap it and then you'll need to unbox, I will do that also. That one is very extensive. All right. Okay, so if you like, please do a follow, do the comment down below, guide me regarding this the Three Kingdoms. I know a lot of you guys know about these Three Kingdoms somewhere out there. And of course, don't forget to follow and subscribe into this channel. Okay, so please, and don't forget to hit the bell. So please, when I'm going to upload a new one, you will be, you know, you will be receive the new updates for me, videos uploaded by me. Alright guys, so see you again. I'm still having the T2 Wave 2. I'm going to open that one soon. Okay, I will showcase into my channel also. And then I still have I'm going to open this again. Hopefully we can get the red box, but that one is quite hard to find and it's expensive also as well. Alright, yeah. So thank you very much and hope you enjoy, and goodbye. Have a good day everyone. Goodbye.